Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be comparing Cal AI with MacroFactor. So let's get right into it. Cal AI uses artificial intelligence to provide real-time calorie and macro tracking, making it more intuitive. If you talk about features and customization, it analyzes your food intake with AI-powered meal scanning and smart calorie adjustment. And if you talk about the pricing, it offers a free plan with basic features, and premium upgrades is basically charges at around but with the AI driven. So on the other hand, if you talk about MacroFactor is highly customizable, allowing users to adjust macros, track micronutrients, and follow different diet plans. It offers adaptive calorie tracking, meaning it adjusts your targets based on your progress rather than just logging numbers. And if you ask about the features and the pricing against it, it requires a paid subscription with around $11.99 per month or $71.99 per year. So at the end, if you'll ask me which one is better, I'll say choose Cal AI if you want a smarter AI-driven calorie intake and with simple automation, and choose MacroFactor if you want science-based macro tracking with full customization. And with that, I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.